Join me as I teach you how to make YouTube Shorts or TikToks or even Instagram Reels without any editing software. So to start this, you go on Google Chrome. Don't have to use Google Chrome, whatever Internet Explorer you use. And then you don't have to use this, but you can. It'll help you with your clipping moment on your Twitch. So you go to Botrix, like that. Click on it, it'll be the first one. And then log in with Twitch. And you can log in with absolutely any platform that you want. As you can see, when it's ticked with just your name, that means that's your primary, it's going to be your primary alert and your primary platform that you're using with Botrix, and you click configure to make it to your different platforms that you use. So now what you want to do is go to Chatbot. Once you've gone on Chatbot, go to extras and then make sure you go where it says clip command, set up, put it as owner can use it, so you, or you can do it as everyone can use it so they can clip your moments that they like. Click confirm, yes. And then once you've done that, you just go to your Twitch. I go to my dashboard and here's my stream preview. And if I go to my stream deck and do clip, obviously it's offline, but it'll come up with a link with whatever you've clipped, and then that's done. And once you've done that, obviously, I'm not sure if you can do this with your console Twitch streams, but you can try it out and let me know if it works. And once you've set it up, it'll do this, and then you can go into your Twitch and make your clip, which I'll show you in a second. So yeah, that's basically that. Obviously, if you don't have a Steam Deck, just pick a button on your keyboard to set it as clip, or just type it in and stuff, make it simpler for yourself. So once you've done that, go to your Twitch stream homepage like this, go to channel, and then it should look like this. Now go to video, where it says default, go to clips. Obviously you can set it 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, all. I'll just do all for now. And then I'll pick a random clip that I've captured. Let's say this one is just me driving and stuff. Click on edit with the scissor tool. It should come up with this. Now obviously you can't hear anything because I'm not playing anything. And then click on edit layout. You can either do it as a full clip, so it will show up like this, as you can see. Or you can go on stacked. Go to where your webcam is, like that. And then your gameplay. And then click apply. Pick a title. You can feature it on your Twitch homepage if you want to. Click save clip and it's done. I'm not going to save it because I don't need to. But yeah, once you've done it and it's downloaded itself as a vertical portrait clip, you can upload it on your download it on your phone, upload it to any platform you want, or you can do it on computer and do it that way. But obviously computer, you won't be able to put any music on it if you upload it straight to YouTube or TikTok. So once you're in your phone, you go to Twitch, and then it should come up with your normal Twitch screen. Go into your profile, and then once you do that, you go onto clips. You can do filter clips that I've made, and then there you go. You can see all my clips there, and then you just click on your clip. It'll show up like this. Click on the 3 dots and then click on download clip, and it'll say portrait version or download landscape version, and then that's done. You've downloaded it. Then once you've downloaded it on your phone, you can upload it your normal way with your music that you want. So guys, it's as simple as that. That's how you make YouTube Shorts or TikToks without using any sort of software like DaVinci Resolve or any professional editing software that people usually use. So if you're a small content creator and you need a simple and easy way to do it, it's as simple as that. You can do it on your phone and you can do it on computer if you have one. You can even do it on a tablet. So if this video helped you, make sure you comment what else you need help with and if it helped you, and make sure you subscribe for more content like this one.